Hey everybody, this is Pam at the Paper Outpost. Today we're going to have some simple paper play. We're going to take this regular old piece of paper, 8.5 by 11, and just grab some inks, and we're just going to play with it. And we're going to have a lot of fun. It's going to be a very simple and easy project, easy fold, something fun to add to any junk journal. Just let your imagination run wild. There's no right or wrong way to decorate this paper. Right now we're just doing some general background on it. And that's all good. Okay. Maybe I'll do a two-tone background. So that was a brown I did. Maybe I'll do a little bit of, maybe blue. Do I have a blue handy? I think I do have a blue. Here's, the brown was, that's walnut stains. Hard to read on there, distress ink. And this is Broken China Distress Ink. And let's see if I have here's a blue-green combo. So this is a paddle brush, or like a makeup paddle brush or a craft paddle brush. So I'm just knocking down the white a little bit here. Just want to make it look a little bit more vintage, a little bit more weathered. And I'm actually going to do this to both sides. So I'm just going to go back in here and do this a little bit on here. This is kind of fun. So how's your day going? Are you doing well? Is everything dandy? If it is, awesome. If it's not, hey, just go hide with your papers and just play. And sometimes that's the best thing you can do, is just like distract yourself a little bit, unwind. Sometimes you need a little break and you just want to kick back and take it easy and just have some fun with it. So forget about all the responsibilities of life and just play with your paper. It's the answer to everything. Going in with a little bit of the blue. Okay, it may not be the answer to everything, but it just makes it a little more tolerable. You know what I mean? It's okay to have a place of respite and a place to just unplug and be goofy with paper. And this just happens to be one of those places. So basically, we have this page that has design on both sides. So this time, I'm just gonna, like, for something easy and fun, I'm just gonna take a stencil, any stencil that you happen to have, it's fine. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna do this in this orientation. Yeah, that's all there. And there's really, again, no right or wrong way to do this. Should I do green? I could do green. Let's see, there's some blue on this, but it's my blue-green paddle brush, so let's see if I can pull a green. There's the green. This is peeled paint. I think I'm going to wake it up a little bit with a little water spritz. This is just plain water. Just waking up that old dry ink pad. Still got ink on it, I'm sure. Okay. And these words may or may not show. It's just more about design and stuff like that more than it is the actual words. But these are just some nice words like garden, herbs, basil, oregano, parsley. And you can probably get this or something like this online pretty easily somewhere. I don't know where exactly. I don't know where I got this. Probably on, I would say maybe Etsy or eBay, something like that. Okay, that's good. And then maybe I'll do some upside down here to make it non-committal. It's just what it is. It's just design. Because I'm going to do some folding, and I don't even know which way these words are going to come up because I hadn't thought it through that much. But I'm going to put it on both sides because I think both sides might show. Might even do the words backwards just to completely break with tradition. Might look cool. Like I said, I'm just using the words as design elements more than the actual words. But you can do it right side. But just want to show you can do it the other way if you're feeling bold. I know we're so wild in our papery world. But it's our world. We can go places and do things. Nobody can tell us otherwise. It's good. It's all good. And there we go. I'm missing a lot over here. I didn't really get the word herbs at all. Okay. There we go. Well, it's kind of showing. That's all right. Just a little bit more. Maybe more around these edges. There we go. I'm almost feeling like I want a little black in here too, just to anchor it. Do I have a black paddle brush? Maybe not. Are you a black paddle brush? You don't look very black. What about you? No, you're not black. All right, well, maybe you might be a black paddle brush and I just don't know it. How about that? Okay, so let me cover the ones I'm not using. That's the brown. This is the green. And this is the blue. Maybe actually I'll come in with purple. I don't know, I'm just gonna go in a completely different direction. Do I have a purple? I have a pink paddle brush. It's kind of here. It doesn't look like that at all, does it? No, let me just see if I can rub off the base of the pink. Oh, I might as well rub it right on the paper, right? Why not? Then I'm gonna come in and muck this beautiful color up. There we go. And just blending the colors. Very fun, very easy to do. No right or wrong. Again, it's all good. It's all good. Okay, maybe a little something here. There's more intense on this side. Okay, so maybe around the edges a little bit. I don't even know what's going to show up on this little folderoo. It's very simple, basic folderoo. You could also do this with a book page. I just wanted to design the paper just for something different. Maybe I thought everybody's got, you know, a piece of paper at home. So, okay, here's the fold. We're going to fold it once long ways. It's pretty easy, right? And then we're going to fold it once up. Oh, I don't know, maybe leaving about 2 inches. Maybe an inch at the top, inch to 2 inches. Whatever you feel like. Actually, let me go a little further. Maybe a good solid 2 inches. So the first fold is going to go like this. And the second fold is going to go like this. Okay, the third fold is going to go like this. And there's no fourth fold. So we essentially made 1, 2, 3 very easy. And you could technically make 4 pockets. If you wanted to, maybe fold it back this way might be visually most interesting. And let me get maybe the black and just do some edging on this. And this is just a fun little simple way to make a pretty element for a junk journal. A little multi-pocket gizmo. I need some more ink. This is black soot. And this is my water spritzer. Just getting that a little bit more damp. That's going to be a lot more intense now. I kind of like to do it messy. I think it adds a nice little vintage flair when it looks messy. Okay, that's good. This guy. And then you're going to be folded, so I'm going to do this guy. Yep, getting out all over my fingernails. That's okay, though. Okay, I'm going to tuck you in there. Okay. All right. There we go. Okay. So now we have that. And let's get a junk journal to put it in. Yeah, I have... Oh. I have this journal I'm almost finished working on. Let's see if we can find one more page in here. There's a page. That might look nice. There we go. Okay, so the glue is just going to be here and here. I'm gonna grab the old Fabrifix. I really need to transfer this bottle that I haven't quite gotten around to it yet. We'll see if it's gonna work nicely for Mama here. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm getting a relatively thin stream. I don't know, my hand is feeling stronger these days, so I'm not I don't mind this bottle thickness right now for some reason. So I guess that's probably why I haven't switched it yet, because if it was really bothering me, I would have done it right away. But my hands are feeling a little stronger these days. Playing lots of pickleball, doing lots of gripping on the pickleball paddle, and just feeling like a stronger little bumpkin. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now let me grab some thingies. Okay, I found a few little oddities here. And I have this embossed paper that I made. Here's an old 1893 handwritten letter. Here is an index card divider, like for the months. Here's an old vintage postcard. Not sure of the year. Oh, 1921. There it is. 1921. And here's a piece of old crinkly parchment from days gone by. And here's an old piece of a old newspaper, which is kind of cool. Let's maybe tuck some of these things in here. So this multi-pocket design you can use to tuck multiple things. So the easiest thing sometimes is to go by size. And maybe I want to tuck this in the back, give them something to play with. It's kind of cool. And then maybe the next slot might be the letter. Let's see if I can fold this for presentation purposes. It does have some folds on it. It does have a little back to it. Well, maybe we'll work with that. Let's see, because not all of it is going to show. Okay. Then I have this, no, actually, let me maybe put the blue next, because that would be a nice contrast. Oh, it looks like I forgot. We need to glue here. Yeah, there we go. So it's best to put the glue on this side, because then it's going to go exactly where you want it. We'll tip it. Trick of the trade there. Not a big one, but sometimes it can be helpful. And you want to be careful when you're gluing your pockets together and things down, that you don't go ahead and stick your fancy little pieces in here too soon, because they could get stuck. So like what I did, you probably don't want to do. You want to wait till it dries. And here's, oh, maybe I'm going to put you here. You can layer. You can layer as you go, and you can put more than one thing in there. And then maybe this little advertisement is kind of cute. I'm just going to hand tear this a little smaller. Maybe I'm even going to fold it up a little bit. Maybe it'll fit best like this. There, that's kind of cute. And now you could come in with whatever you choose to decorate it. I did have something funny I came across. Let me find them, hold on. I'm looking. Oh, I know where they are. These odd little things. I think I got these from one of the online sites. I don't remember. But they're like, I think it's polymer clay that's been cut into little flower designs. I don't know. But I think I might just do some generalized decorating here on this. All right. Okay. Now if I was smart, I would use one of those tricks that I came up with, but these aren't that hard to pick up because they're flat. I'm just going to put these down here to decorate the edge. Really no right or wrong way to do this. You just get in there and do it. A little blue one down there, since there's blue in that. Maybe I'll come along the bottom just for fun. Oh, what am I doing? Not a line. Okay, I think I have 3 dots there. 4, 5. Okay, so I do have a flapper at the bottom, which technically you could open that and write on there if you want. I believe that's a Rita Donnelly flip, known back in the day from Rita. You know, when people would come up with these cool ideas, we would name them after the people. I don't know if that's done anymore. Is that done? I don't know. I'm kind of out of the loop, so I'm just kind of in my craft room gluing. But you let me know if that's still a done thing. Yeah, so that's kind of cool. I like that. Very easy to do. And you could actually glue down this side and tuck something in here, or glue this side and tuck something in here, but I think I'm going to leave it as an open flap in case somebody wants to have extra writing there. So that's just a fun little easy paper idea for those of you who are having fun in the craft room with just a regular old piece of paper today. So let me see if I can find Mr. Snuffles. Hold on. All right, look who I found. Yes, it's Mr. Mom, you forgot the light. Please turn the light out. Okay. Oh, it's so much better. Thank you. Okay, positions. Okay. Hello, everybody. This is Sunshine, Cub Pup Reporter, reporting to you from the paper Outpost. Okay, so there was chicken in the house, and yes, Sunshine managed to finagle some for himself. Yes, I requested it, and it was given. They say if you ask, it will be given. So I asked, and I asked with my eyes and my penetrating stare of cuteness, which I pull out, you know, for just these moments if chicken is in the house, because I can smell it. It's not like I don't know it's there. I can smell it right through the fridge door, right through the packaging, into the roasted chicken bag. I'm all over it. I know from the minute she pulls up with the grocery bags what's in that bag. There's either chicken or there's no chicken. Okay, there's nothing else. It's either chicken or no chicken. So that's from Sunshine. Thank you, Sun. All right, everybody. Happy crafting. I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay. Oh, no, he's moaning. So there you go, folks. Hope you had fun today. Just a quick and easy one. I have a free monthly emailed newsletter that comes out. Everything is in the drop-down description box below, but if you can't find that link, you can just check this lovely long link out and painstakingly type it into your computer or phone, and you'll come up with all my links. So if you're looking for my Etsy shop, which houses FUNDLEs, which are collections of old and interesting papers that you might want to put into your junk journals, 100 plus pieces, free priority shipping with that, or Digikits, which are printable downloads of images related to different themes like birds, Victorian, dragonflies, butterflies, wallpaper, tapestries, celestial, you name it, over 280, I believe. And they're 5 pages each, and great to print out at home. If you want me to print them for you, I will do that. I do 10 sets of Digikits at a time for you. It's called the print and mail option. That's so all you do is buy the print and mail option, and then send me the list through Etsy message, the list of 10 Digikit names that you want. I only need the first 2 or 3 words to know which one you're talking about. And you're going to get total of 50 printed pages on nice lightweight cardstock, because there's 5 pages in each Digikit, and you get 10 Digikits. So there you go. And I have an Amazon shop. If you like the tools that you see me use here or some of the supplies, I do try and put links in there for you. It is an affiliate link. It does help my shop, but you don't pay for more for the items for using my link. So thank you very much for your support. And also, I have a merchandise shop. If you like the phrase, create with reckless abandon, or everything is a craft supply until proven otherwise. You can get that on a t-shirt, a sweatshirt, a zipped hoodie, a mug tote, or a water bottle. And great for gift giving for your friends, family, or other crafters. And you can find me on the social media platforms of Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. Come and join our Facebook group, and also TikTok. And remember, most of all, remember that fun can be simple, and create with reckless abandon, everybody. Take care, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.